So Congress says BJP is provoking people in West Bengal, and after Congress, now the Samajwadi Party has also accused Bharatiya Janata Party of instigating politics of violence in West Bengal. According to Samajwadi Party, this politics of violence has resulted in the death.
ये दुखद है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पश्चिम बंगाल में एक हिंसा की राजनीति लगातार की है। इस तरह इसका अंजाम किसी की जान जाने पे होता है तो ये बेहद दुखद है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि वहाँ का प्रशासन इस घटना के अपराधियों को सजा दिलाने का पूरा काम करेगा।
Adrija is with us on the broadcast with more. Congress says that the Bharatiya Janata Party is provoking people in West Bengal, and Samajwadi Party backs that.
Well, you see the India Alliance backing the TMC at the same time, and the TMC now mentions that it is not a political murder that had taken place. The TMC said the murder was a result of a family dispute of that particular individual. So, but on the other hand, the BJP outrightly states that this is the TMC goons who have come in the evening on the main road and killed this particular person who had joined the BJP along with his family members just a couple of months ahead. And therefore, you know, the TMC trying to say it's not a political party, and of course we are getting reactions from various India Alliance backing the TMC who claims to be a part of the India Alliance as well, and criticizes the BJP for you know, trying to provoke people and trying to create violence after the polls in the state of West Bengal.
So blame there coming in from the Congress and the Samajwadi Party, fingers pointed at the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP has alleged that TMC is behind the killing of their worker, and along with the TMC, Congress and the Samajwadi Party also hitting back at the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying they are provoking people in West Bengal. We're moving on now, and we